Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix yellow light on Verizon router. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is check the internet connection. Over here, make sure the router is properly connected to the modem and the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the modem and the router's internet port. After that, try restarting the router. Then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds and plug it back in. Over here, you can also check for service outages by logging into your Verizon account online or using the MyFios app. Then, if the yellow light still appears, try resetting the router. Over here, find the small reset pinhole on the back. Use a paper clip to press and hold it for 10 seconds and wait for the router to reset. After that, open up your preferred web browser. Over here, input your router's IP address starting with 192, then log in with your admin credentials and check the internet connection status. Then, check for firmware updates to make sure your router is up to date. After that, if the yellow light continues, contact Verizon support for further assistance. So that's basically how to fix yellow light on Verizon router. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.